Mainframes are very expensive. This is why the Royal Bank of Canada offloads most of its mainframe data into a data streaming platform to reduce the cost. This is Kai Wehner with Confluent. I will show you how such an architecture can look like. Royal Bank of Canada actually started many different projects after they offloaded the data from the mainframe. After 6 weeks, already around data streaming. First of all, this is about cost reduction. This means you offload the data from your mainframe only once. After that, different applications can consume and use the data again and again without the additional cost of the mainframe. This is the huge advantage of mainframe offloading. You get access to the mission-critical mainframe data, but you don't need to connect to it every time you need the information. The huge advantage of the streaming platform is it is also storing the information. This is the benefit compared to other message brokers and similar systems. You get it in once in real time, and then you use it again and again, now or later. The consequence is also much easier innovation for building new applications. While the first pipeline is still running, you can build new applications with new technologies. This doesn't mean that everything is or needs to be real-time. It can be if it adds business value. So while the first mobile app might be real-time push notifications, the new innovative app by the data science team might still be a batch workload. Or you might do web services with request response. It doesn't matter because the data streaming platform keeps the data for you. And with this you can innovate while keeping the cost low. Last but not least, the data streaming platform makes your enterprise architecture much more flexible. Here is one example for that. We still want to keep the mainframe for its mission-critical workloads, but for some of the scenarios, we want to migrate existing applications from the mainframe to the cloud. This can happen in parallel. You can build a new application, for example, only for mobile applications, while your existing workloads from the web browser are still running into the mainframe. However, then you can also decide to make a cutover only of this application. The other applications are still running on the mainframe and are integrated with the streaming platform. But this one application is lifted and shifted into the cloud. This can be a step-by-step migration. You can never migrate a complete mainframe at one time, but you can choose an application to migrate. And then you can choose others. And the outcome might be that you completely shut down your mainframe, or you still keep it running and only choose a few applications to make it cloud native. I hope you learned a lot with this mainframe, offloading and data streaming discussion. It has a lot of benefits like cost reduction and enables innovation. If you liked this video, subscribe to our Confluent channel and also take a look into the description where we'll share much more information about other great content for financial services and data streaming. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Kai Wehner with Confluent.